We say approach the Lord with real intent. Well, what does that mean? It means all the above. It means doing all those things. And that's, wherever you are along your journey in the gospel, you have a degree of that. And the gospel path is developing more and more of that heart, of that mindset, of that spirit. And the truer and more faithful we are in our covenants and to our covenants, the more capable we're going to be to truly have our heart and our desires come up before the Lord. And we'll also be all the more better prepared than to receive and act on what is meted out, as Brigham Young would say. You might be reading too much Brigham Young when you start saying meted out.
Or you start speaking. I don't mind you speaking like him. If you start looking like him, there might have to be an intervention. We might have to start pulling you back a little bit.
The temple
and a cane and a beard.
Now, hey, I could get behind top hat and a cane.
I know you could. That's why I would have to be the one to pull you back here a little bit.
Dude, I really dig those, when you see like their white shirts that have like the collars up and then you can see like the necktie going around.
Yeah, it's a good look.
It's a good look. Why did we get away from that?
Too much work, I'm sure. I don't know.
Who was it? Was it Brigham? It wasn't Brigham Young. It was like, I think it was Wilford Woodruff or somebody who like when he traveled to Europe, he brought like a suitcase just for his top hats. Who was it? It was one of the presidents.
I had not heard that before, but I love it. Whoever it was, I love it.
Unfortunately, I don't grow a really good beard. It's kind of patchy.
That's all right.
You could do the Brigham Young beard though, for sure.
But the temple is
they won't let
always in the way.
Yeah, that's changing though.
Slowly but surely.
The church is becoming truer. Once we can get back, ongoing restoration means bringing beards back to the religion. It's just how can you just plaster the walls of the temples or the chapels with bearded men and then be like, but you can't have a beard?
Yeah, it's just fair enough.
It's hard to swallow that.
Although, to be fair, Jesus is usually not portrayed with a beard. I'm trying to think of the different images. I could be wrong about that. Don't hold me to that.
You are wrong about that.
Am I wrong about that?
You are 100% wrong about that.
No, I guess I don't know. Anyway, keep going. Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.